Good morning, everyone. It's Saturday. We're going for a ride.
You got that on film today?
I think so, yeah.
Before we start, I just want to say I'm out in the garage here. I haven't had the heat on all night, and it's actually quite nice in here. And outside, it's like minus 7 degrees Celsius. It's gonna be a cold one this morning. We're out at XM Army's place, and guess what? It is snowing like a bugger out. Holy! Huh. This ought to be interesting. The snow stopped. It's gonna be a little wintry wonderland ride. Quite a few people here today, probably about 10 of us. Should be a good time. Well, I don't know how much filming we're gonna get done today. It's just gonna be fun to get out and ride. I haven't rode in like a month. Yeah, buddy. Alright, so let me set the stage here. I wasn't even supposed to be riding today. I have this family get together that I have to get back for, but when I got asked to come out for a ride, I jumped at the chance because I hadn't been out in a while. For those of you that know what it's all about, sometimes you just gotta get out there and ride.
Well, this part ain't frozen, obviously. Oh, it's a big climb, this one. Oh yeah, no problem. Look how thick the ice is. What's that?
That's a little sketchy.
Yeah. Oh man, man down. You can feel that crack.
Should we just lift the thing up?
Maybe. Well, now he's straight.
Oh, you
Better.
just want to lift it up?
It's very slippery. Wow, like you just... Yeah, it's about knee deep. Like a log under there. You feel the whole ice ring. Yeah, definitely gonna put her in locked. He's gonna try that way? Oh, jeez. Honda! Yeah, you gotta watch your speed and once you go freaking sideways. Clear. Oh, yes. Oh, I'm holding up the line. I'm holding up the line. Oh.
Feather for it.
I gotta try it. That's deep. That's a deep one. A little slippy. A little off camber. Wow!
Beauty day so far.
I think you just got to keep enough momentum, eh? Just to kind of. But it really wants to kick you sideways. Yeah, she's quite the rock crawling episode. Oh, yeah, you gotta. She's good, she's good. Thanks, fellas. Yeah, there's that cheater point there. I thought it was good, but a little help is very nice. This is a very high degree of difficulty, actually.
Oh, yeah. She's new to this bike too, so she's
Yeah.
oh, good.
That's it. Yeah. Yeah, keep going. There you go. That's it.
There you go.
Good job. Awesome. That's how you do it. Come on, yeah. See the second tire to grab. Great job. That's awesome. That's the tough. That's not easy.
No, I hate
did-
rocks for that exactly.
You did awesome. That was great.
There's something you don't see every day.
I've never seen them. Oh, it's not even in there. They're good.
Here we go, the young lads are building a beauty fire. We're gonna roast some hot dogs. Perfect day. 80. Yeah, definitely keep that in there. Same thing as like when you get a puncture wound, you're not supposed to pull it out, right?
Yeah.
Uh-oh, what's happening?
The battery's dead.
What the?
If you thought this ride was interesting, don't be afraid to give her a little thumbs up, eh?
Go. You alright, man?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Somebody get that on video?
No.
I probably.
Put all it. No.
I got it.
You're like this going through the air.
Whew, that was one heck of a ride. I had to take off a little bit early there. I have got to get home. I'm supposed to be home by a certain time, and I'm going to be cutting her close. Don't worry, of course I made it back on time. Click on the video on the screen right now to learn some more details about the 2022 Can Am Outlander 850 XMR that you saw in this video.